Samuel, we have come to session 5. Session 5 deals with non-numerical models, and hope you understood all the 4 sessions. Try to work out each sum slowly. If possible, write the formulas in the last page so that you can refer it. Now, the session 5 deals with non-numerical model. You won't find numbers here. So, first sum when you do, you can understand what is meant by non-numerical model. So now look here, each term of an AP is Q. So statement 1, so it is split into 3 parts, 1, 2 and 3. So I put STM1. STM1 means statement 1. It is given each term of an AP. So you can write TP is equal to Q. Bracket you can give and put the word given. Now the formula for Tn is Tn we know already, A plus n minus 1 into D. So each term means you must write A plus P minus 1 into D equal to Q. A plus P minus 1 into D equal to Q. So instead of n you must put P in the formula. If you want, you can expand this and keep also A plus, when you expand this you get PD minus D equal to Q. Call it equation number 1. Now statement number 2, I call it the STM2. Statement 2 says Qth term is P. So Qth term is P means TQ is equal to P. You must write given. Now TQ means you must use the formula Tn formula. Just n is replaced by Q. For example, the previous question, n is replaced by P. A plus P minus 1 into D. That's what I wrote here. Now for this, n is replaced by Q. TQ equal to A plus Q minus 1 into D. So you can write A plus Q minus 1 into D is equal to P. Now you can expand this. So you get A plus, when you expand you get QD minus D equal to P. Call it equation number 2. We have to prove that. So write required to prove. RT means, TP means required to prove. Required to prove. We have to prove M. First question is nth term. Tn equal to, we have to prove that P plus Q minus n. Second question is the same thing. First we do the first question, nth term. This you have to prove it. Now what you do is you put equation 2 minus 1. You have to subtract the equation 2 and equation 1. So first we subtract the left hand sides. So equation 2 left hand side is A plus QD minus D minus this left hand side is A plus PD minus D equal to, then we subtract the right hand sides, equal to P minus Q. Again I repeat, so you have to subtract 2 minus 1. So these two you have to subtract, this and this you must subtract left hand sides. I have written here, and then you must subtract the right hand sides. That is easy, P minus Q. So now look here, you get A plus QD minus D. When you expand you get minus A minus PD plus D equal to P minus Q. Now what will happen? A and A will get cancelled, D and D will get cancelled. So you get QD minus PD equal to P minus Q. This you put in a bracket. Now take D common. When you take D common, you will get Q minus P. Okay, now look here. Q minus P is nothing but minus of P minus Q. Again I repeat, Q minus P and minus of P minus Q are same. For example, B minus A and minus of A minus B are same. These things you can write even in the last page, where you can just refer when you get it. So this Q minus P, you can put minus D into P minus Q. This step also you write equal to P minus Q. Now we write minus D equal to P minus Q. Take this side, by what you get? P minus Q. Cancelling, you get 1. Minus, you take that side, D is equal to minus 1. So I like the answer D equal to minus 1. Next you must find A. Hope you understand. Pth term is Q, Tp equal to Q. So in the formula Tn you have to substitute P, you will get this, expand and keep it as 1. Statement 2 says Qth term is P. So just put Tn formula, instead of N you put Q, expand and get second equation. You have to subtract the second equation, the first equation. So you subtract the left hand side separately, you subtract the right hand side separately, and you get D equal to minus 1. Next you have to find A. To find A, you can substitute in equation 1 or 2, or you can take 1 itself. Look here, A plus PD minus D is equal to Q. This is equation number 1. And D we got as actually minus 1. Wherever D comes, you put minus 1. A plus P into minus 1, minus of minus 1 is equal to Q. A minus P plus 1 equal to Q. Take all that side. A is equal to P plus Q minus 1. This you get when you take this P and this 1 that side. So A equal to, I write here, P plus Q minus 1. Now we have to find the nth term first. So we have to prove that, required to prove. RTP means required to prove. The nth term is this one. We know the formula Tn equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Tn equal to A, you must put the value. A is nothing but how much? P plus Q minus 1. So A you write as P plus Q minus 1 plus N minus 1 into D is minus 1. Again look here, Tn equal to P plus Q minus 1, minus 1 into N will give you minus N. Minus 1 into minus 1 will give you plus 1. Minus 1 and plus 1 gets cancelled. You get Tn equal to P plus Q minus N. That is what you must prove. And next you have to prove Tm equal to, second sum number 2. Tm equal to P plus Q minus M. The same method, instead of N you substitute M. Tm equal to A plus M minus 1 into D, where A you put this answer and D you put the answer, expand the same way, you get the answer Tm equal to P plus Q minus M. So these are non-numerical model. Try it slowly, like statement 1, statement 2, you get it easy. Hope you understood. Now we are dealing with non-numerical models like nth term. Now look here, this is statement 1. Nth term of an AP is 1 by n. Statement 1. So nth term means Tm is equal to 1 by n given. We know, I told you already, Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Tm means nothing. Tm means remove this n and put m both sides. A plus m minus 1 into D. So Tm is nothing but A plus m minus 1 into D is equal to 1 by n. A plus, when you expand you get md minus D is equal to 1 by n. Call it equation number 1. Statement number 2 now. Statement number 2 says, this is statement 1. Statement 2, STM2 says nth term is 1 by n. So it is given as Tn is equal to 1 by m given. And we know already this is straight formula, nth terms, we are familiar with this. A plus n minus 1 into T is equal to 1 by m. We just expand A plus nd minus D is equal to 1 by m. Equation number 2. Now what you do is subtract 2 minus 1. So first you must subtract the left hand sides. this side and this side you must subtract. Left hand side you must subtract first. So you get a plus nd minus d minus a plus md minus d equal to, next you must subtract the right hand sides. So you get 1 by m minus 1 by n. The LCM is mn. This n will go there, n minus m by mn, you get it. So here what happens, look here, a plus nd minus d. When you expand you get minus a minus md plus d equal to n minus m by mn. Here a will get cancelled, d will get cancelled. So you get nd minus md. So in both this d is common. So when you take d outside, you get n minus m is equal to n minus m by mn. Okay, now d is equal to, write this as it is, n minus m by mn. This is multiplying, it will go and divide 1 by n minus m. Now n minus m cancels. This is actually mn. This is mn. So d is equal to 1 by mn. So we got the value of d. I'll write the value of d here. Of course, d is equal to 1 by mn. This you got it. Now we have to find a. We have to find a. So you can drop this off. So we got the value of d. To find the a, we can put in the first one. First one is nothing but a plus, when you expand we got md minus d equal to 1 by m. Now the value of d 1 by m you can put here. Now look here, a plus m into d is nothing but 1 by mn minus d is nothing but 1 by mn equal to 1 by n. Now look here, m and m will get cancelled. You get a plus 1 by n minus 1 by mn equal to 1 by n. So keep the a as it is, put the equal to and take these two numbers that side. So you get this, there's 1 by n already, and this 1 by n will go that side, and this m by n also will go that side. 1 by n gets cancelled. A equal to 1 by mn. So you can write here, d is actually 1 minute. Yeah, d is right. M cancels. Okay, a and d 1 by mn. Now we have to show that. Show that means we have to prove that mn term is 1. So required to prove is the mn term is equal to 1. Now term mn is nothing but, look here, again I repeat, term n equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Wherever n comes you must put mn. Term mn is a plus mn minus 1 into d. So term mn equal to a is nothing but 1 by mn plus mn minus 1 into d is also what? 1 by mn. So write term mn equal to 1 by mn plus, when you multiply this you get mn by mn. You get minus 1 by mn plus 1 by mn and minus 1 by mn gets cancelled. So you get T mn is equal to mn gets cancelled, you get 1. So that's what you have to prove. You have to prove term mn equal to 1. Hope you understood. These are all non-numerical models. Mth term is 1 by m. You can write the formula, and nth term, then you get the values of a and d and substitute. similar type of sum. So these kind of non-numerical models, don't get worried about the word m, n, and r. Sometimes instead of m you get p, q or r like that. Whatever it is, you just follow it. But the main formula is use Tn equal to this formula. If you want mth term means you put m everywhere. If you want pth term means, for example, if you want mth term means a plus m minus 1 into t. If you want pth term means a plus p minus 1 into d. So if you want qth term means a plus q minus 1 into d. Like that, wherever you got, see mn term means a plus mn minus 1. If you want a term pq means a plus pq minus 1 into d. So whenever this non-numerical model comes, don't get puzzled about the word m, n and m. It's quite easy.